the passenger side of the car, and replacing the FSU, or the hedgehog as it sometimes is called, is a very common fix for the E46 where the fan starts to misbehave. So you don't really need many tools, just a little bit of patience and time, because we're going to have to take the glove box and everything to get to, because the FSU is back here, back underneath, through the glove box, back behind. And so some of this is going to be a little hard to show, simply because I'm going to have to navigate the camera, show you what I'm doing or what I'm going to do, and then do it, and then show you again, because the angles are all so extreme. But one of the first things we have to do is take the glove box off. So there's a plate here that runs behind the glove box underneath with 4 screws, 4 Phillips screws in it. So we'll take those four screws out, and then that will loosen the glove box up. Then we're going to lower the glove box. We're going to take the straps off, and then we're going to take the frame off. We're going to take the side piece off. We'll work through. But the first thing we're going to do first is take off this bottom piece behind the glove box right here underneath. There's 4 screws. Take those out, drop that, and then we'll do the glove box next. So I'm going to take those off. What you're taking off are these little plates. These go over essentially the hinge supports for the glove box. So you pull the 4 screws. Now the glove box is very, very loose, as you can see. So now all we have to do is unhook these straps on either side, and we'll do that by taking a flat-bladed screwdriver or a plastic trim tool and pulling out these pins on either side, and then you can take the glove box and set it aside safely.